Okay, good morning students. Today's class let us going to discuss about the subject is financial accounting. Okay, in that the financial accounting, let us see before the heading is journal. These are the some questions. Okay, before the journal we know that golden rules of accounting. What are the golden rules? There are three types of accounts. One is personal account, and second one is real account, and third one is nominal. As per procedure, in this three should be the golden rules of accounting. As far as the personal account should be the debit the receiver, credit the giver, and at the same time the real account should be the debit what comes in, credit what goes out. As well as at the same time the nominal should be all expenses and losses, and the credit all income and gains. We know that the format of golden rules of accounting. With the help of golden rules of accounting, we are going to discuss about the sum journal. In that, this should be the question. First one is purchased goods for cash. The first one is purchased goods for cash, rupees 10,000. What should be happening here means they will be purchasing goods for cash. If they are paying cash, the goods should be coming in. The entry should be, what the entry should be? The entry will be purchase account debtor to cash account. If we are purchasing the goods should be getting inside. At the same time, we will be giving out cash outside. The entry should be, here you can justify the entry, the purchase account debtor to cash. The first one. What to be right means being goods purchased for cash. Okay, and then going for second one, what the second one should be purchased stationery for cash. The amount is rupees 500. What we are doing in second entry, purchased stationery. They are purchasing stationery for cash. If you are purchasing stationery means at the same time you are paying cash to that particular person. We know that who is that particular person. Here the question should be blank. So what the entry should be means stationery is coming inside, cash is going out. So the account should be stationery account debtor to cash account. Let's see here. The entry should be, I have mentioned here, stationery account debtor to cash account. The amount is rupees 500. Have you understand? Second one, and let me go back for third one. The third one is purchase furniture for cash. The entry is 3,000. What the third one should be? They are purchasing furniture for cash. If you are purchasing furniture means furniture is getting inside, cash is going outside. This is at the same. In the entry should be furniture account debtor to cash account. Let me see. Check out here. So the entry is this one. Next, we are going to discuss about fourth one. What the fourth question should be? Sold goods for cash. Sold. The selling at the time of sold means sale should be happening. At the time of sale should be happening. If you are selling the product for cash, so the entry should be what? If you are selling the goods means what should be? If you are paying cash, the entry should be here. Cash sale should be happening. The entry should be cash account debtor to sales account. What the amount should be? The amount should be debit 8,000, credit 8,000. Have you understand? Next question. Fifth one. Sold goods to Jane for cash. The rupees 3,000. Sold goods to Jane for cash. That is, they will not mention any credit basis. They are selling goods to one person. The person name should be John. J-O-N-E, John. They are selling goods to John for cash. What the entry should be? Here they are mentioning any credit sales? No. It should be happening cash. The entry should be what? Cash account debtors to sale, but the amount should be 3,000. Next we are going to next entry. Paid salary. What the entry should be? Paid salary. If you are paying a salary for month end means if I am an employee of the company, if I am working for 1 month means I am getting salary. How? I am getting salary by either by cash or check. Here they mentioning only paid salary. What the entry should be? I am a person. If I am getting a salary, the cash should be coming inside. So the entry should be salary account debtor to cash account. What the amount should be? 8,000. And then next entry is seventh one, paid wages. Wages means if you are paying weekly basis or daily basis, that should be called as wages. The entry should be wages account debtor to cash. If you are paying cash to wages, no, the entry should be wages account debtors to cash. The amount should be 500. The last one is sold goods to James rupees 2000. What the entry should be sold? Sold means that the happening should be takeover. Okay, so the entry, what the entry means, cash account debtors to sales. The amount should be 2000. So this should be a question of journal. We replicate the answer. Thank you for this class. Okay, thank you.